In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach Inbox Zero in Notion Mail. Inbox Zero isn't about deleting everything. It's about knowing exactly what needs your attention and clearing the rest from your way. We'll keep this simple and effective by letting Notion Mail's AI help you label messages automatically. Then using quick bulk actions to clean up your view. And finally, choosing the right place for messages you might need later. Start by opening Notion Mail and heading to your inbox. Look to the top right and click the Auto Label button. This is where the AI can take on the heavy lifting for you. Speak to it in clear, natural language so it understands your intent. For example, you can say, label all emails from domain as logistics. Or, tag emails containing action required as urgent. Keep your label names short and consistent so they're easy to scan later. After you set a rule, give your inbox a quick glance to confirm the labels look right. If something doesn't fit, refine your instruction and run it again. Over time, these targeted labels will surface what matters first and send everything else to the background. Once your labels are in place, it's time to move fast. Use the checkboxes to select all emails in your current view. This could be everything marked logistics, everything tagged urgent, or simply all messages that no longer need your attention. With one click, choose archive or trash to clear them from your active inbox. This bulk action is your best friend for rapid triage. Before confirming, skim the subject lines to ensure nothing critical is selected. If you make a mistake, don't panic. Notion Mail allows you to reverse recent actions, so you can restore a message and keep going. As you clean up, decide between archive and delete, based on whether you might need a message later. Archive moves the email out of your active inbox but keeps it searchable and safely stored, which is perfect for receipts, project threads, client logistics, and anything you might reference. Delete, or trash, is best for spam, obvious duplicates, and promotions you'll never revisit. When in doubt, choose archive. It clears your view without losing useful context. With smart auto labels guiding what you see, bulk selection to sweep away the clutter, and a thoughtful choice between archive and delete, reaching Inbox Zero in Notion Mail becomes a quick, repeatable routine. Thanks for watching.